Welcome back, students. Let's conclude our today's part by revising whatever we have studied in the lesson Light and Formation of Shadow. In the beginning, we have started the concept from the first point, luminous object and non-luminous object. The luminous objects are the objects which emit light. For example, sun, star, or a torch. These are all luminous objects. The objects which do not release light, which do not emit light, are called as non-luminous objects. For example, a table, a book, these are the objects which do not emit light. Therefore, they are said to be non-luminous objects. And finally, the third point was artificial sources of light. The sources of light which are created by man, which are man-made materials, they are called as artificial sources of light. Torch is an artificial source of light. A mobile phone is an artificial source of light. Under the point propagation of light, we came to know that light travels in a straight line. We have discussed about it with the help of two activities on the textbook page number 98. It shows that light travels in a straight line. This is called that the linear propagation of light. It is seen that it travels in a straight line with the help of the dust particles present into it. Reflection of light. The rays of light fall on any kind of object and the same rays get reflected and enter into our eyes, and therefore we are able to see. That is the reflection of light. Images in the plane mirror. The left and the right side of the original object appears to be exchanged in the mirror image. The image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. The size of the image is the same as that of the object, that is the plane mirror. Lastly, we have studied about a pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is an instrument through which the straight or an upright object is seen to be inverted in the image. The image is inverted, that is, it is upside down. Also, the image appears a bit little larger as compared to the original image. The material through which light passes is said to be transparent. The material through which light does not pass is said to be opaque. The material through which light passes partially is said to be translucent. This is what we have studied in today's class. Thank you.